Playing dead is a term derived from the opossum, known as nature's greatest actor. Possums are the only marsupials native to the Americas and are commonly referred to as possums in North America. Despite their somewhat intimidating teeth, possums are typically non-aggressive. They primarily use their teeth for eating and to intimidate predators. When threatened, possums will hiss and attempt to scare off intruders. If this tactic fails, they resort to their trump card, playing dead. To feign death, possums open their lips, foam up their mouth, and emit a foul smell to imitate a decaying animal, a secretion from their anal glands. Scientists have discovered that this behavior is an automatic response triggered by fear. Possums have no control over it and may even pass out due to extreme fright. Possums are omnivorous and consume a wide range of foods, including seeds, fruits, insects, small mammals, birds, and carrion.